Let's get to know black color. Black coal, black crow, black smoke. Black smoke. Black coal. Tap on the black balloons. Feed the birdie with black seeds. Add black petals to the flower. Let's get to know gray color. Gray mouse, gray elephant, gray cloud. Gray mouse. Gray cloud. Feed the animals with gray apples. Right, drag one more apple. Right, drag one more apple. We're out of gray paint. Let's mix it. Color the picture gray. Let's get to know brown color. Brown bear, brown log, brown chocolate. Brown bear. Brown log. Tap on the brown balloons. We're out of brown paint. Let's mix it. Add brown petals to the flower. Let's get to know red color. Red tomato, red strawberry, red heart. Red heart. Red tomato. Feed the animals with red apples. Right, drag one more apple. Right. Drag one more apple. Feed the birdie with red seeds. Color the picture red. Let's get to know yellow color. Yellow lemon, yellow chick, yellow sun. Yellow lemon. Yellow sun. Tap on the yellow balloons. Feed the birdie with yellow seeds. Add yellow petals to the flower. Let's get to know orange color. Orange giraffe, orange pumpkin, orange carrot. Orange pumpkin. Orange carrot. Feed the animals with orange apples. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple. We're out of orange paint. Let's mix it. Color the picture orange. Let's get to know blue color. Blueberry, blue peacock, blue wave. Blue peacock. Blue wave. Tap on the blue balloons. Feed the birdie with blue seeds. Add blue petals to the flower. Let's get to know purple color.
Purple octopus. Purple grape. Purple eggplant. Purple eggplant. Purple octopus.
Feed the animals with purple apples. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple.
We're out of purple paint. Let's mix it.
Color the picture purple. Let's get to know green color.
Green frog. Green fir tree. Green cucumber. Green frog. Green cucumber.
Tap on the green balloons.
We're out of green paint. Let's mix it.
Add green petals to the flower. Let's get to know white color.
White rabbit. White iceberg. White snowflake. White snowflake. White iceberg.
Feed the animals with white apples. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple. Feed the birdie with white seeds. Color the picture white. Let's get to know light blue color. Light blue lizard. Light blue teapot. Light blue beads. Light blue beads. Light blue lizard. Tap on the light blue balloons. We've ran out of light blue paint. Let's mix light blue paint. Add light blue petals to the flower. Let's get to know pink color.
Pink ribbon. Pink ice cream. Pink flamingo. Pink ice cream. Pink flamingo.
Feed the animals with pink apples. Great! Feed the animal with one more apple. Right, drag one more apple.
We're out of pink paint. Let's mix it.
Color the picture pink. Let's get to know black color.